We've all heard of Florence Nightingale, nicknamed the Lady with the Lamp. She was the founder of modern-day nursing. She came to prominence during the Crimean War in the 1850s, where she tended to injured soldiers, trained nurses, and encouraged social reform. While Florence's contribution to humanity is undoubtedly remarkable, I would like to shift your attention to someone else who did the same centuries before. Her name is Rufayda al-Aslamiyya. Rufayda al-Aslamiyya was a virtuous woman from amongst the Ansar and one of the first people from Medina to accept Islam. She was amongst those who witnessed the Prophet return from Hijrah. Among those honours Allah had blessed her with, the one she would be remembered for the most is the fact that she was the first Muslim nurse in history. Rufayda's family had strong ties to the medical community, especially her father, Sa'ad al-Aslami, who was a physician and played a role in Rufayda's emergence as an expert practicing nurse. The Prophet gave Rufayda permission to erect a tent inside the Prophet's mosque in Medina to provide nursing care and to train Muslim women and girls as nurses. As such, a pioneer in her field, devoting her life to the development and improvement of nursing, some reports suggest she was the first female surgeon in Islam. During the Battle of the Trench, Sa'ad ibn Mu'adh had taken injury and the Prophet ordered that he be placed and treated in Rufayda's tent. This is significant as the Prophet acknowledges Rufayda's expert skills as a nurse. She was a highly charismatic and capable nurse with extensive clinical skills and medical knowledge. She was a kind and empathetic woman, often looking after the children in need, orphans, and the poor. Rufayda al-Aslamiyya proved that Muslim women were able to contribute to science and society at large and pursue knowledge in fields that extend beyond home. She became distinguished in her work and admired by her community. She is a great role model to all women today. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward her good deeds and raise her ranks in paradise.